No camera, no actors, no animation skills, just Google Flow. Watch this.
What a beautiful
What you
day.
are watching
Nothing could
is
possibly go
entirely
wrong today.
created with Google
Wait,
Flow.
Where did that come from?
a golden apple. I have to catch it.
Snowy, wait.
Last one there is a sleepy goat. I'm gaining on
The
it.
I
characters,
don't think that's how
scenes,
apples work.
camera movements, and animations
Almost
are
got it.
Sorry,
generated using
official
AI.
goat emergency. Again? Take the shortcut.
What shortcut?
In this video, I will show you exactly how I
That's
created
not a
this
normal apple.
short
I noticed
animated
that
movie step by step using
We chased
Google
it for
Flow.
this?
So watch the video
No.
till the end.
We chased it for the adventure.
Now let's get started. We first browse Google Flow, then click on a Google Flow to open the Google Flow UI. This is a base URL, and here we see there is a create with Google Flow button. We click on that. It will take us to the new page where we can see our own profiles that we logged in, and then we click on a create project to create the Google Flow workspace where we can create our own characters like Bob the goat and then Snowy the cat. So this is where our workspace is now to get started. Now we will start with create new character, and this is where our character description or the prompt is been placed. We will choose our LLM, that is Nano Banana 2, and click on a create. So this will initiate the character creation. It will take some time. Once it gets created, we will have to do the name to it basically, and then choose a suitable voice that is can match your character. You can hear it out and select the proper one. And then once it gets selected, then we need to click on add voice, then we are good. After that you can provide the character information that is helps you to identify what is it and who is it basically. So in this case I have provided this simple prompt, and then I am done with the character definition. Now we will define our character too, that is Snowy the cat. So this is where my prompt came here. I have clearly defined what is the definition of my character too, that is Snowy, and then choosing the LLM, click on create character. So this is how the character gets created. We give it a name that we decided, that is Snowy, and then we choose the required voice, that is here it is a female, so we choose female voice, and then as we define that is character information. So this is something we will provide it as an annotation that is defines the character, who is it and what is it, and then we are done. Now we will see how did I create our first scene, that is the Bob and then Snowy are walking through the village market. This is my clear prompt that I have taken separately and pasted here. And then don't forget to add your characters that belongs to that scene. So this is where I chosen the two characters, and then in the right hand side there is a video settings that is should be changed according to your need. That is very important, and then we click on a create. So it's get created in couple of minutes. So then your scene is ready. You can validate the scene and check if it is needed to retain, or again you redo it. Now we will see how to rename the scene that we created. So click on a rename, and then you can give it a name which you can remember in the. Now the role continues, and then here we create our scene 2 of the animatic movie. So I do the same thing that I did for the scene 1, where I define the prompt, and then we add the characters. We choose the video settings according to need, and then we click on a create the video. So remember that, give the prompt according to your scene and then click on a create. So it will take some time, and then scene gets created. Then you can validate the scene whether it is according to your need or not by clicking on and opening that scene that has been generated by Google Flow. So this is how I created my. Now the camera roll in the Google Workspace continues. So we are now came for building our scene 3 of my animatic movie. So I chosen my characters of the movie. So that is Bob and the Snowy. And then here I have provided the scene 3 prompt, which describes Snowy running and following the golden apple. And then click on a create based on the settings. Then we will wait for the scene to get created. Once the scene gets created, always recommended to validate that scene by taking check, and then if it is good, retain, or else go. Now, the scene 4 talks about marketplace kiosk where Bob and Snowy makes a scene in the marketplace. So that is where the prompt is talks about, and that is he is placed. And again, we are not forgetting to add the characters in the prompt, and then we always check the settings are proper so that we avoid burning the the credits. So and then we click on create, so the creation takes certain time. In this case, I have make it minimized. Once the scenes gets created, you can always validate it by checking whether it is satisfying your need or not. If it is satisfied, you can save it, or else again you read. The scene 5 of this animatic movie talks about a view, that is aerial drone view above the village marketplace. The golden apple rolls through the winding streets. Snowy and Bob's chases it. That is what the prompt is. Then the settings are being configured such a way that it suits the need. Click on a create, so the creation will take certain time. Once the creation gets created, again suggestion is to check that, validate that. If it has been satisfied, you can retain it or again redo it. Now, scene 6 is pre-climax scene, so it talks about the reveal. So I have written the prompt in such a way that the golden apple rolls into the village fountain and finally stops. Snowy carefully approaches and grabs it. So that is the scene. And exactly we have written the prompt according to that. Settings are being validated, and then click on a create to get the scenes created. Waited for the scenes again get created, and then time has come to again validate it. Validate it thoroughly so that it suits to the requirement, and if it is good, you can save the scenes. The climax scene talks about funny ending. So here we are choosing the characters Snowy and Bob, and then we are putting the prompt. So this is the detailed view of the final prompt or the climax scene. And then you can also see that the same prompt is being put into this the prompt box, and then we are checking it again. This is the right hand side where again we check the video settings that we want to create as the final scene. And then once you click on, you need to wait until the scene gets created. So once the scene gets created, come here and validate whether you are good with the final climax scene here. Now, the final step to create a video is stitching the scenes. So select your first scene and then click on add clip. Then you need to choose the second scene like this and then click on add clip. Then automatically the video gets created, in the sense first scene gets attached to the second scene, and then you continue to do this. Keep doing this, stitching the scene after scene in a sequential manner that you have sought. That's the reason we have given the scenes name earlier, like scene 1, scene 2, scene 3. So first you choose the scene 1, then choose the scene 2, then choose the scene 3 likewise. So keep doing that and stitch all the scenes all together. Then again, once you are done with stitching all the scenes, then you click on a done. That's how your final video gets ready, or the final animated movie gets ready after this. Once scenes get ready, test it whether you have stitched it in a correct manner. If you are done, then that's the final.